If you're getting a SketchUp download error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp installed properly on your Windows computer. These methods work especially well when the online installer fails, the setup stops halfway, or the installer just refuses to open. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the easiest and most reliable solution. Use the official offline installer. Sometimes the online installer fails because of network interruptions, browser issues, or blocked downloads. The offline installer includes everything needed to complete the installation without depending on a live internet connection during setup. So, go to the official SketchUp download page and look for the full offline installer version for your specific edition. Make sure you download the correct one for your system and save it somewhere easy to find, like your downloads folder or desktop. Once the file is downloaded, the next step is to run the installer as an administrator. This is important because Windows may block parts of the installation if the program doesn't have the right permissions. To do this, right-click the SketchUp.exe file and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. This gives the installer elevated access so it can properly write files, create folders, and complete the setup without permission-related errors. If the installer still fails, your security software may be interfering. Antivirus programs and firewalls sometimes mistake installer files for suspicious activity, especially if they're large or need to access system folders. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus protection and, if needed, your firewall as well. Then try launching the installer again. Just remember to turn your security software back on after the installation is complete so your computer stays protected. Another very common reason for a SketchUp download error is a conflict with older versions already installed on your computer. If you're updating SketchUp, don't just install the new version over the old one. First, completely uninstall the previous version from your system. Open your Windows settings, go to Apps, find SketchUp, and remove it. After uninstalling, restart your computer. This clears out temporary files and prevents old installation data from causing conflicts with the new setup. Now, let's check your system requirements. Sometimes the issue isn't the installer at all. It's your computer not having enough free space or not being fully updated. Make sure your C drive has plenty of available storage before installing SketchUp. Also check that your Windows operating system is fully updated because missing system updates can cause software installers to fail or crash. If your computer is low on space, clear out unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, and try again. If the installer still fails instantly or closes right away, you may be missing the required Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. These are essential components that many programs, including SketchUp, need in order to install and run correctly. Download and install the latest supported Visual C++ packages from Microsoft, then restart your computer and try the SketchUp installer again. This small step often fixes installation errors that seem to happen for no reason at all. At this point, you should have covered the most common causes of SketchUp download errors: network issues, permissions, security software blocks, leftover version conflicts, system requirement problems, and missing runtime components. Try the fixes in order, and in many cases, the installer will work normally after one of these steps. If this video helped you fix your SketchUp issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and easy how-to guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment with the exact error message you're seeing, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.